Hello guys, this is Josie. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel intro. But before that, let me show you the YouTube intro that I've created. Said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. So here we go guys. Just make sure you have the note because I will show you step by step. First step, just be sure that you already installed these two applications on your phone, Blogview and the MP4 video downloader. Okay, let's go on the Blogview first. On Blogview, there are two options. The upper one, just click it. And then there are two options also, the video and the photo. And then of course, we will choose the video. And then for example, we will choose this one during our prenup. And then you just have to click the next. And then please confirm the screen scale. You just click the 16:9 guys, because that is the size of the YouTube video. And then click the confirm. So this is an example only guys. So as you can see, there are options: filter, music, sticker, text, effects, and the background. Okay, background. And then if you put the music, just click the music. And then there are three options again: online music, my music, recording. You click the my music. So I already have many music downloaded from that application guys. So if ever you still don't have the music, just exit this one, and then this is the time that we will use the MP4 video downloader. Just click the MP4 video downloader, and then from the YouTube option, you can search music. For an example, background music. So background music for video, no copyright, no copyright. Okay, so don't forget to input the no copyright word guys, because it's very hard for our YouTube channel to be monetized if we use the copyright claim. So just search it, and then you can see that there are many free music that we can download, of course free, and this is no copyright guys. So for an example, we will choose this infraction, a no copyright hip hop background. I already downloaded that one. So for an example, no copyright music, a love romantic. Okay, just click that one. Okay, as you can see, there is arrow. Just okay guys, here it is. So just click the free download. Okay, and then click OK. And then Charan, it's MP4 downloading. Okay, so guys, it's finished downloading. We will go back to the Blogview, and then we will choose now the music that we want to put on our video. For me guys, I will choose this one, the Raven and Crane. So click that one. So that music, and then you can see the use option, so you just have click the use option, that one, and then just play it. And then if you want to put a text, guys, like this, Mark and Josie Fever, so you just have to click the text. For an example, we will put here. Okay, just click the text, Mark and Josie Fever. So there are lots of options, guys, so you can change the font. For an example, that one. And then also we can put colors, so text, shadow, and border. In the text, we'll try to use the pink because I am a pink lover. Okay, so we can put a shadow also to make it very clear and very nice. So for an example, black. Okay, and the border also. So for an example, I will put black again, or the white. Okay, white is nice, so it looks clear. Okay, so you just have to click the check, or you can adjust, guys, if you want to put on the center, on the upper, or on the bottom. So it's up to you, guys. Okay, you just have to click the check, Mark and Josie Fever. Again, if you want to add another text, just have to click the text, subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Okay, for example, that one. Okay, so the color again, pink, the shadow, border is white, and then the font is like that, or this one, or that one. For an example, that one, subscribe. So it's up to you, guys, where you want to put, on the right side or the left side, the center. It's up to you. So as you can see, we are almost finished. Okay, so to make it finish, guys, as you can see, there is a watermark, Blogview watermark. It's very simple to remove. You just have to click the X, and then watch ad to remove watermark for free. You just have to click free remove, and then charan, so the watermark already disappeared. And then check, and then you can click the save, and then you can export that one. I'm sorry, guys, that one, guys, so that it will go directly and save directly to your gallery. So that's very simple, guys. So that's how it is. Hope all you guys learned from my very simple ways of how to create a YouTube channel intro. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.